shot.
Lights off.
Of course it is.
Okay, what's this out of?
SMS 96.
96 what?
Inch.
1996?
Nope.
96 inch?
96 inch.
Twin turd?
Wait, no, what? No. Evo.
Evo.
Evolution.
Evo 96.
Evolution.
S&S Evo 96 inch.
Yeah.
How'd you get 96 out of an 80?
5/8 strokes with 4 and 5/8 stroke with
It's 5/8 by 5/8.
5/8 by 5/8. Yeah, 3 and 5/8 bore.
That's a square motor then, right?
Is that how that works? Yeah.
3 and 5 and 4
Yeah.
and 5. Yeah.
Square minus 1 or plus 1?
Yeah, whatever.
Close enough.
I don't care about your plus ones.
Yeah.
Okay, what do we got there?
They feel pretty good.
I don't care about the rod. Do they slide side to side? That's all that matters.
Close enough.
Okay, if they slide, it's good. If they don't slide, it's bad. Okay, so what do you got? How close? What's the problem? How are you going to fix it?
They're pretty close.
You got your new truant stand, you're going to figure out how to use it, so I'm going to break you in.
Oh no, they're 180 out.
Yeah, well, it wasn't 180 yet, though. Hopefully it's not up and down.
One's on the pin.
Ooh, that's hard. At the pin's really hard to do.
Hold on. No, it's right before the pin. It's right there.
By chance, did you actually check the torque to see if they're tight or
What?
the crank pins? Maybe nuts are loose. Did you check?
Oh, on the other one? On this other one? Oh my, I barely hit it with the electric impact and they just freaking spun right off.
Yeah.
Everything was just so loose on that bike.
Yeah.
No, I didn't check the torque.
Okay, that means they're good then?
No.
Okay. It must be good you didn't check them. Why don't you spin it the other way?
Oh, I spin it that way. Sounds terrible.
Go the other way then.
Yeah. Go the same way I was going?
You wiped the rail, you took the oil off.
You're perfect. Yeah, this one's 180 off the pin.
Great.
And this one's right before the pin.
Oh, before the pin I can
Right
fix.
there. 90 off, or like 70 off the pin.
Okay, that good. We can fix that one now. Okay, how are you going to fix that?
Whack it.
Where's the low, where's the high?
That's the high, right there.
Okay. So push and hit.
Loosen this?
Huh?
Do I loosen this? No.
Why? Trying to break something?
No. Fuck, I hate this. I hated that.
You hated that?
I hated that.
Well, put your dick in between and hit it again.
Hit it again?
With your dick.
What?
Put the dick between and hit it. See
No.
what happens.
Okay, I'm just gonna...
Don't scratch those rods.
Oh, I got all this freaking pressure. I don't like
Check the
this.
torque when you're done here. It loosens
Yeah.
up when you hit it, so you gotta loosen this up. Already did it. You're fucking with it. What happened?
It moves a little bit less, but
Less is good.
about a half a line now. Went down.
What were you before?
2?
2 lines?
No, 1 line. Still same spot though.
So you didn't hit it hard enough.
This one didn't really move.
Okay.
Yeah, you like to overhit and then bend it back. I don't like that.
It's actually better for it doing that, actually.
Really?
Yeah, it bends back quickly.
Well, yeah, because it's fractured.
So if you come back a little bit, it'll stay that way. If you don't, it'll probably go back on its own.
Right? Okay. God, I hate
You
that.
didn't just hit that with my tapers, did you?
What?
You didn't hit my tapers with you, did you?
What?
You beat up on my tapers on my stand? Did you see that?
I did. I tried to stop him.
I hate this.
He screwed up my tapers.
Hey, that's pretty good.
It's still moving.
Well, yeah, but a lot less.
I don't know.
It's like a twitch now.
That's from the
Hey, you know what? I'll take it.
Is that a twitch?
That's a twitch.
More than a twitch, I can see it. From
No,
here.
I can
get
see
over
it
here.
over
No,
here.
that's a twitch. That's a twitch. That's half a line.
If you're a twit, it's a twitch.
That's a twitch. That's a twitch.
Same spot?
Yeah.
And you didn't hit it hard enough yet.
Look at
There
that.
you go.
Scratch the rod.
Hit it again.
And you're okay with that twitch?
You know what? I would be. It's right on the pin though now.
Good.
What do you mean good?
What about the other one?
Still 180 off the pin.
Why you 180 from the pin?
It's been there.
Oh. Maybe you can go fix it then.
This one's still right here.
Then you can fix it then. Why Why you so high in the air?
Hmm?
The high spot's over here. Why you hitting the way over there?
I just. It's right here.
I don't know. You said it was higher before.
I'm looking at it now.
Well, good. I'm glad you looked at it now before you hit it instead of later after you hit it. Accuracy does matter. So it's hitting right. You're gonna hit it right on the S&S mark. Is that what you're saying?
Yeah, perfect.
That was more like an USA mark, not the S&S mark.
That's a USA mark.
No, like you made my phone ring.
That's a twitch. That's a twitch.
Hello.
You say so.
Yo.
It's like half a line.
Nope.
Little less. Teacher's giving me back worse than that.
It looks like a golf club swinging from over here.
Nope. I'm working on other stuff right now.
Still 180 off the pin though.
It'll be a weekend deal. But we'll see. Might show up tomorrow, might show next day, but it's coming.
So how do you do that?
Get a chicken notification. At least one of them is.
It's not a full line. It's like 1.5 thou. I feel like Teacher's gonna do something I'm really gonna hate. Fix that.
What's that?
I don't know. He's gonna hit it really hard in some weird way. Put it in the press.
Yeah, he should probably fix it before he puts it in the press.
Yeah.
Still what? You know, that's what you know, stuff.
That's a
I got a real
twitch.
wheel for you, though. You want a real wheel? It's red. Looks really nice. I got that done last night. I'm doing past midnight work on this shit.
Close that.
Well, are we done?
Just awkwardly in the camera. Not doing it.
Uh-huh.
I think one of them on the other floor was the
All right. We'll come back.